Are you going to talk to us? Are you going to talk to us? Are you going to talk? Yeah? Are you having a good morning?
Guests don't bark. They squeak, they squeal, and they're very, very loud. Believe it or not, the macaw actually can produce volume equal to a jet engine. So the fact that we can hear the macaw at the front of the building didn't surprise any of us, but of course it did surprise us how loud they are. We have 11 parrots. They're exotic parrots, and they've been with the home, we think, for an extended period of time. We're hoping to have a better estimate of that soon. They were with a couple, and both members of the couple have passed away. And regrettably, there wasn't anybody in the family that wanted to take these very special birds on, and so they've come here for rehoming and placement. Well, it's going to be probably a bit of a long process. We're having them all assessed by a veterinarian, by the specialty first. And given the social experience that they've had for a fairly long period of time, we're expecting that most of them will end up with families. Of course, those that are bonded, they'll be staying together. And there are some birds that have really special needs, so we're just looking for that special place, whether that's a sanctuary or a home. That's still to be determined. What people should be aware of is that birds live a long time. 30 to 40 years is not uncommon. There's a bird in the collection that may live up to be 100 years. So, you know, that's a long-term commitment, and they're very social, so it's important that they not move a lot. So that's what our difficulty is, making sure that these placements are going to be forever, because they've already lost a family, and we don't want to see that happen in any kind of near future for them.